Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the CellBeam Rechargeable Sensor Magnetic Nightlight. This is a really neat product. It has adjustments for a variety of different settings to let you change the distance of the motion sensor, 3 different colors of white light, and the magnetic attachment for the wall, so you don't have to drill anything in there. It has this nice little magnet, and you stick it on the wall and you're good to go. And that has the magnet there and the magnet there, so you can take it off and recharge it when you need. Let's take a look at all the settings. So here on the back of the device and on the instruction manual, they do tell you that the sensor distance setting can be adjusted via the switch combinations in the table for different applications. So you have 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and the 100% distance is about 3 meters. And so that way, if you have an area where you're placing this device and you don't want your cat to set it off or something like that, you can adjust the distance, and then you can also adjust the color temperature. And so the switch combination in the table will give you different color temperatures as well. So it'll do the warm white, the neutral white, and the cool white, so you can choose your preference. And I'm going to go ahead and do the adhesive installation. I've got a spot that when I turn off the lights at night, I end up having to whip out my phone and use a little flashlight every night because there's just one dark area that I can't see around a certain corner. And so I'm going to get this mounted. Let's do it. All right, so here we go. I've got the settings the way I want them, with numbers 1 and 2 down, which means I want 100% of the motion sensing distance. 3 and 4 down, meaning I want it in that white light. And then on the side here, you can choose low or high, and I'm going to keep it on high. And it's going to go into a corner here that I can't really see very well. The way I like to do these magnetic installations is I put the magnet on in the position where it goes, and then I line it up on the wall, and that way the magnet will stick exactly where I want the device. And so now I can press it on and I know I'm in the right position for where I want the light. Now this light will activate when it's dark, so don't expect that it's going to sense motion and do stuff now. But tonight, when it's dark, the light will turn on for me, and it'll provide me light in a corner that I need it, and I don't have to do any wiring. So really pleased with this, and I'll show you what it looks like when the light turns on. Overall, I'm really pleased with this motion sensor nightlight, and I think it really meets a need in a really easy way for me. I hope that this review helps you make a good decision about what kind of light you may need. Thanks so much for watching the review. Bye.